Hi friends, today we shall discuss about the chapter 15, that is the probability. In the last year class 9, we have already dealt about the empirical probability, that is also called the experimental probability. Now we shall deal about the theoretical probability, which is also called the classical probability. So probability is nothing but the chance of happening of event. So the theoretical probability of an event E, let us say an event E, which is written as P of E, and it is defined as number of outcomes favorable to event E, by which is divided by total number of possible outcomes of the experiment. Here we suppose all the outcomes are equally likely. Equally likely means which are having the equal chances of occurring. Do you understand? So let us see an example of finding a probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting a tail. So here event we shall write down here so that we can understand it very clearly. So here actually what is the event tossing of a coin? Only once. So what are the number of outcomes? We may get either head or a tail. We may get either head or tail. Okay, all the possible outcomes which I have written here, head or tail. So what do you want getting a head? What is the probability of getting a head? So what is the probability? P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to event E, which is divided by total number of outcomes. So we can write as probability of getting head when the coin is tossed once. That is, which are how many heads we can get? Only one head. So we are getting only one head. How many number of outcomes are there? Head and one. So we can write as 2 here. In the similar way, probability of getting a tail is equal to how many tails can be occurred in one throw of a coin? Only one tail. So we shall let 1 here. And how many of the total number of outcomes? Heads plus tails. So 1 plus 1, that is called 2. This is the probability, and in the next classes we shall discuss in very clearly. Thank you.